In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contract with Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process from starting a new document all the way to sending it out for signatures, so you can follow along and have a complete, ready-to-sign contract by the end. First, start by creating your document. In your Pandadoc dashboard, look for the option to create something new and choose a new document. From there, select the option to upload or select a file. This is where you bring in the contract you want to use, whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another supported format. Give Pandadoc a moment to process the file and open it in the editor. Once your document is open, the next step is to add your recipients. These are the people who need to view or sign the contract. In the recipient section, add each person involved in the agreement. Type in their names and email addresses and make sure everything is spelled correctly. The recipients you add here are the same people you'll assign signature and date fields to later on, so accuracy is important. Now it's time to insert or update the contract terms. On the right side of the screen, you'll see different content blocks. Drag a text block into the document where you want to add or edit your terms. You can type directly into this area, paste in your standard contract language, or make adjustments to an existing section. Use this chance to review your wording, check for clarity, and ensure all important details like dates, pricing, and responsibilities are clearly described. Next, you need to place the fields that your recipients will interact with. Again, look to the right panel for your fields. Drag a signature field onto the document and drop it in the exact spot where each person should sign. Do the same with the date field, placing it near the signature or wherever your layout requires the signing date to appear. After placing your fields, you must assign each one to the correct recipient. Click on a signature or date field, and a small menu will appear. From the drop-down, choose the person who should complete that field. Go through every field and confirm it's assigned to the right signer, so there's no confusion when they open the document. When everything looks good, you're ready to send. Click the option to review and send. Take a quick look at the preview, then continue. Finally, confirm by sending the document. Pandadoc will email your recipients, and they'll be able to open, review, and sign the contract online.